I wanted to take what was mine. And you, Agatha Christie, with your railway station bookstall romances. What's to stop me killing you?
Oh, my dear God. My child.
What's to stop me killing you all?
Forgive me.
No, Lindsay, come back. Keep away. Keep away, Martha.
No more murder. If my imagination made you kill, then my imagination will find a way to stop you. Foul creature.
Now it's chasing us!
Agatha, what are you doing? If I started this, Doctor, then I must stop it. Come on! It's all my fault, it's all my fault, it's all my fault!
You said this is the night Agatha Christie loses her memory.
Time is in flux, Donna. For all we know, this is the night Agatha Christie loses her life and history gets changed.
But where's she going?
The lake! She's heading for the lake. What's she doing?
Here I am, the honey in the trap. Come to me, Vesperform.
She's controlling it.
Its mind is based on her thought processes. They're linked.
Quite so, Doctor. If I die, then this creature might die with me.
Don't hurt her! You're not meant to be like this. You've got the wrong template in your mind.
It's not listening.
How'd you kill a wasp? Drown it. Just like his father.
Donna, that thing couldn't help itself.
Neither could I.
Death comes as the end, and justice is served.
Murder at the Vicar's Rage. Needs a bit of work.
Just one mystery left, Doctor. Who exactly are you?
Oh, it's the Firestone! It's part of the Vesperform's mind. It's dying and it's connected to Agatha.
They let her go. Right at the end, the Vesperform chose to save someone's life.
Is she all right, though?
Oh, of course, the amnesia. Wiped her mind of everything that happened. The wasp, the murders.
And us? She'll forget about us.
Yeah, but we've solved another riddle. The mystery of Agatha Christie. And tomorrow morning, her car gets found by the side of a lake. A few days later, she turns up in a hotel in Harrogate with no idea of what just happened. No one will ever know.